Shoot. Okay. Off the edge. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me and welcome to my fluid art channel. My name is Rhonda Robson. Okay, so number 10 of these bloom experiments. And I took what I did in the last one in number 9 and did something very similar where I spread out the colors in the lower half for the ocean and spread out the colors on the upper half, and then I swiped it and then I spun it. And I think you're gonna like it. I'm getting more and more loving these colors. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this and I hope you consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. So let me get you down the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, another bloom experiment with ocean sunset sunrise colors. So here we go again. You can kind of see that I've been doing that there. So let's go ahead and do another one. And the lesson I learned on the last one is that I shouldn't have put as much blue in the sky. I should have just did the pink and the gold, and that would have given me a coral with a little bit of purple. That would have given me a coral look, and that's kind of what I was kind of going for. And I wanted to see with the blue what it would do. So yeah, live and learn. That's why you do these experiments. And if you notice, I'm doing these experiments on very small canvases and thin canvases so that when I'm done with these experiments and I discover what I'm really looking for, then I can do that on my bigger canvases. So put a little bit more right there. Okay. We're going to do the same thing we did last time, where I'm going to have one half of it be like the sky, one half is the ocean. Okay. And the reason why I'm going to be doing, well, I'll probably do like a little more than a third through here, or a little less for the sky, a little more for the ocean, because your eye looks for, I'm going to put that this way. Your eye doesn't want to see it in halves. It wants to see things, and in the, you've kind of heard you might have heard this, you might not have, just a little bit of purple. The theory of thirds. You know, it's incredible what your eye actually sees and where it tends to go, you know. That's why sometimes you see cross points in cameras, because it gives you that third, and where your eye tends to go is where those thirds, both crosswise and lengthwise, meet. So it's actually really cool to learn a little bit about that type. That looks really pretty, that color. And I know I don't need this much paint. Somebody's probably yelling at me. Okay, so we're gonna swipe this direction from here. We're gonna swipe from this direction over here. Okay. Shoot. Canvas was moving. I need more. The white sunk right here. There. Didn't sink, it went off the edge is what I'm trying to say. It sunk off the edge. Okay, so let's see what kind of comes up now. Definitely like the purple and the pink and the gold together. And looks like my white got kind of messed up there. So I'm gonna put some white cell activator on my, it got underneath the other white is what happened. So I'm gonna get my cell activator on this, come across again. Okay, I'm just gonna let it kind of sit for a little bit and see what happens, and then I'll spin it. Yeah, I should have just did one swipe, just one. So we're gonna do this exact same one again, one swipe. Not back and forth, like I did. I'm gonna pop some air bubbles. So I love how the lacing happens with the ocean and with the sky, because it adds so much. I love it. Just gonna let that continue just to sit. This right here needs to come off the edge. There we go. Didn't have any paint off the edge there. It would probably spin out there, but just in case. Really pretty. I do think that it would be good to have a little bit more purple and a touch maybe of that light blue. So I'm going to try that next time. All right, here we go. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the camera again, and we're gonna do another one exactly like this. One swipe only. One swipe only. Let me take a photo here really fast.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.